Overall positive background has pushed the oil prices to new highs. The Brent quotes have approached the level of 64, but they were unable to hold there. In the early session, the oil has slightly retreated. The ruble was trading mixed early on Friday. The US and China are trying to arrange a new round of negotiations. However, the oil rally was rather caused by comments from OPEC members. The cartel is expected to extend output cuts until June next year. Most likely, this decision will be made at December meeting in Vienna. This would be a strong positive impulse for the oil market. Meanwhile, there is a second scenario possible. The decision may be delayed until the next meeting, which will take place no later than in March of 2020. At the end of the trade on Thursday, oil prices climbed by more than 1%. For instance, Brent crude rose to its highest level since September. Today, the price is facing a correctional decline. Early in the day, Brent oil futures were trading at $63.56 per barrel, which is 0.52% lower than the closing level of the previous session. WTI oil futures ended up 0.65% lower at $58.20 a barrel. Speculations that oil prices will remain high until the Saudi Aramco conducts its IPO are becoming more real. Many experts support this idea, including OPEC members. It seems that low oil prices are not beneficial to anyone. Thus, many US banks taking part in organizing IPO are aiming at attracting more money in order to receive more commissions. Expensive oil will contribute to their profit. Yesterday, the ruble was steadily gaining ground against the US dollar. In today's session, the dollar-ruble pair is trading mixed, with $1 reaching 63 rubles 71 kopecks. The Russian currency is expected to retreat slightly against the US dollar during the day. Currently, the ruble is trading slightly above the balance level. Since the currency is not overvalued now, its exchange rate is unlikely to change in the short term. Next week, Russia is expecting a new round of tax payments. However, in November, the total amount of payments is usually lower than in other months of the year. Still, this factor is unlikely to provide any support to the Russian currency. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.